Welcome back to Absolute Chefing. Today we'll be preparing a beautiful crostini with crab topping and an Indian touch to it. Now let's see how to go with it. First thing you need, prettiest of all the onions, the red onions. Mild in flavor and best used raw. Red onions, very thinly sliced. Next, red peppers, healthiest of all three colors because this one stays on the plant the longest and packed with vitamin A, C, potassium, fiber, iron, a lot of healthy stuff. Again, sliced nice and thin. Next thing you need, green Thai chili, 50 to 100,000 on a Scoville scale. So be careful with these ones, small but very strong. But the amount of vitamin C these babies got helps you in digestion and keeps your skin glowing. Next, cilantro, rich in antioxidants, add excellent flavor when used in salad, sauces, chutneys, salsa, dips and dressings. Next, lime, rich in vitamin C and a perfect companion for cilantro. Now, time to add the crab meat. Make sure there is no shells hidden inside. Remember the slice of lime that you've saved? Squeeze that baby in. Now mix them all up and add the spice of life, the salt, just the right amount. And then mix again just to make sure. Now let's move that on the side and get some crackers. And I got also some toasted brioche cut into rectangles. Take that delicious crab mixture and top it up onto those crackers and the brioche one by one. And look at the pair of fancy chopsticks that I am using. And guys, while cooking, use your favorite tools, play your favorite music on the background, make it fun. Now once you have topped it all up, what I've done here is I've made a mixture of mayonnaise and chaat masala. So the chaat masala is a mixture of dried mango powder, cumin, ginger, black salt, black pepper, a little bit of chili powder. It got an amazing flavor. You gotta try this. So I've put this chaat masala and mayonnaise mixture in a piping bag and piped it on top of this crab mixture. Now to bring them all together, I've added this tiny leaves of cilantro as garnish and also some crispy fried papadums to give it some nice crispy texture. And here you go, that's it. Oh yeah, I forgot the easy was that? A simple and beautiful recipe. Definitely a crowd pleaser if you're hosting a cocktail party. Now for the new cooks out there. Today's topic is teamwork. You are only as fast as the slowest member of your team. That's right guys. Teamwork is very important. You cannot meet the goal just by yourself. It's the effort of the whole team. As much as we all would like to be superhumans, realize that we are not. When you need help, make sure to ask for it. Don't wait until the shit hits the fan. If you do a better job than your team members, then great. Remember this, your hard work does not go unnoticed if you have a good team leader or a good chef. And yes, watch out for that kind of people that takes credit for what you did. You can see at least one of them in any team who takes no shame in taking credit in others' hard work. So be a good team player and know how to work as a team. That's all for today. See you guys later with more recipes and more tips. Bye for now, stay put and stay safe.